Niacinamide. Niacinamide is everyone's favorite ingredient. So in this video, I'll tell you how to use niacinamide in order to get maximum benefits. So I had done a podcast where I had said that niacinamide alone does not work, but then it was misunderstood that niacinamide doesn't work at all, which is not the truth. So in this video, I will tell you how to use niacinamide the correct way in order to get the maximum benefits. So let's get started. So what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is vitamin B3 and it has multiple functions on the skin. First is it reduces the melanosome transfer, thereby reducing dark spots. It reduces sebum production, thereby improving acne. It reduces inflammation, thereby reducing redness, irritation on the skin, and it also increases ceramide production, thereby improving the quality of the skin and moisturizing the skin. So this is one ingredient which has multiple functions, so it can be utilized in various ways. As it is a well-tolerated ingredient, it is present in multiple skin products such as face washes, serums, moisturizers, and sunscreens. You name it, and that product has niacinamide in it. Today I'm reviewing the Derma Co 10% niacinamide face serum, and I'll tell you the best ways to use this niacinamide. So this Derma Co 10% niacinamide serum has niacinamide 10% and it has glycerine, which helps in moisturizing and plumping the skin. As it's a humectant, it pulls water on the surface of the skin and makes the skin more hydrated. It also has zinc PCA, which is an anti-inflammatory agent. So if you have any kind of redness associated with acne, then this can help in reducing it. This is one of the best niacinamide serums out there. I've even recommended this in the niacinamide serum video. So this is a good niacinamide serum to use. I would suggest that if you have been using the 5% niacinamide serum for about 3 months, then you can graduate to 10%. Don't just start with 10% because your skin may not tolerate it. Okay, especially if you have sensitive skin, if you've never used actives, then I would suggest you can use the 5% first and then graduate to the 10%. This serum can be used once or twice in a day. It has a clear, watery texture. It spreads easily, does not leave any oily residue. It instantly gives a plump effect due to glycerine in the serum. So you can use this niacinamide serum alone if you're below the age of 25, if you have faint dark spots, if you want to make your skin tone more even, if you want to maintain your skin, and if you don't have other signs of aging. Also, if you have open pores, uneven skin tone, and you want to improve the quality of skin, then niacinamide is a good option. Now I'm going to tell you how to maximize the benefits of niacinamide. Niacinamide enhances the effects of other ingredients that you use over it. Okay, so because it has anti-inflammatory properties, it helps in soothing the skin and also reduces the irritation potential of other ingredients that you pair it with. So when you pair niacinamide with other ingredients, it really synergistically works together to give you better results and improve your skin quality. So what are the best ways to use the serum? As the serum pairs well with many other actives, I'm going to share a few combinations that works really well with niacinamide. This will help in getting the best results and maximizing the benefits of niacinamide. So first is pairing it up with salicylic acid. A salicylic acid serum works really well with niacinamide. Salicylic acid can sometimes cause a little bit of irritation to the skin, dryness, but niacinamide counteracts that and improves the effect of salicylic acid. So you can combine it if you have oily skin, acne-prone skin, or even open pores. You can combine salicylic acid with niacinamide. If you have mildly oily skin, then you can use niacinamide in the morning and salicylic acid at night. If you have very oily skin, then you can use salicylic acid and niacinamide both in the morning and at night. If you have occasional acne, you can use niacinamide in the morning and salicylic acid at night. So this is how you can make a routine and titrate it and personalize it according to your skin requirements. If you want brighter skin, you can combine it with a vitamin C serum. Yes, vitamin C and niacinamide works really well in improving your skin quality. You can use niacinamide serum in the morning and vitamin C at night. If you're using a retinol at night, then you can use vitamin C and niacinamide in the morning and use a retinol at night. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, you can combine niacinamide with retinol and peptides. You can use niacinamide in the morning and use the retinol and peptides at night. This way you get the benefits of improvement of skin tone, open pores, and also improvement of fine lines and wrinkles that the retinol and peptides are going to bring to your skin. So in this way, you can maximize the effects and benefit of this niacinamide 10% serum so that you get the best results on your skin. This is an effective and affordable serum. It is budget friendly. So if you are looking for something that fits your budget and something that will give you multiple benefits, and then you can use the serum and combine it with your existing skincare routine in order to see the results and also improve your skin overall. So there you go, a detailed review on the Derma Co 10% niacinamide serum. Is a good serum to use, especially if you have used niacinamide in the past, love the effects, and you want something to amplify, to amp up, then you can upgrade to this serum. You will enjoy the results and the benefits. And like I said, you can always pair it with other ingredients in order to see the best results. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked the skin and hair related content, do follow me on my Instagram handle, Dr. Aanchal MD, where I post skin and hair related content daily. Thank you for watching.